So they would help us if we had a fire here at the house?
No.
They wouldn't help us here?
No. Chris.
Yeah.
When the firefighters at my school, I see the firefighters truck.
You saw the fire truck?
Yeah, from the guy.
What did he do? Did he put out the fire?
No. He told us stories about safety packs.
That's good, Mara. I'm impressed. Merry Christmas. Actually, Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Cheers.
It's important. What do you want for Christmas this year?
A big Barbie with a big doggy and a big slide with a big house.
A big Barbie with a big doggy and a big house? Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you going to get Uncle Chris for Christmas?
A boat.
A boat? You're going to get me a boat? Like a toy boat or a real big boat?
A real big boat.
I'm going to hold you to that.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.